Absolute value inequalities are a lot like absolute value equations, where you need to create two equations. For now, let's treat this as if it were an equal sign. So the absolute value of x minus 3 equals 8. We would create two equations, x minus 3 equals 8 and x minus 3 equals negative 8, and solve for x. Here we add 3, we'd get 11. Solve for x, we'd subtract 3 and get negative 5. But these aren't equations, this is an inequality. So this is where you need to go to your number line and put these two numbers on the number line. We have negative 5 and 11. Negative 5 goes to the left because it's smaller, or lower, and 11 is greater than negative 5, so that goes on the right. Circles above those, and here's where our inequality symbol comes into play. The symbol in the original problem is a less than symbol. Less than, we do not circle in the circles. If we're less than or equal to, they would be closed. In this case, they're open. And there's two rules you need to remember. If the symbol is less than, the bar goes between them. If it's greater than, you have two separate arrows pointing in opposite directions. And then what you want to do is write your final answer as negative 5 is less than x, which is less than 11, and x is between negative 5 and 11 with less than signs, and that's your final answer. The other one, again, if we pretend it's an equal sign to start, 2x plus 3 equals 7, create two equations. 2x plus 3 equals 7, and 2x plus 3 equals negative 7. Solve them. See, minus 3 will get 4, divide x equals 2. Minus 3 get negative 10, divide you get negative 5. Set up your number line. Negative 5 is less than 2, so go negative 5 on the left, 2 on the right. Circles above. And then we go back to our original symbol, and it's a greater than or equal to. The fact that it's equal to means our circles are closed. We need to circle them in. And since it's greater than, we don't have a bar between the circles. We have arrows pointing the opposite ways. And you just have to remember that less than, between, greater than, away from each other. And so our answer, because it's not in between them, are two separate inequalities. And you read the left side as x is less than or equal to negative 5. Or the right side, or x is greater than or equal to 2. So if your original inequality starts with a greater than or equal to sign, you're going to have two separate inequalities with the word or between them.